Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on Flutter Basics. In the previous episode we learned the fundamental aspects of column and row widgets. Today we are going to learn the difference between expanded and flexible widgets. First, let's create a column to arrange our widgets along the vertical axis. Next, add a container with a fixed height of 300 units. Now let's add another container and wrap it in an expanded widget. We use an expanded widget when we want to fill all the available space within the container. We can use two expanded widgets to equally split the available space in half. If needed, we can add more expanded widgets. This allows us to continue dividing available space into equal proportions. We can precisely control how the available space is divided by using the flex property. By default, the flex factor is set to 1. Let's configure the first expanded widget with a flex factor of 2. We will keep the default flex factor for the second expanded widget. This setting divides all the available space in 3 equal portions. The first expanded widget will occupy 2 of those portions. Let's now compare the expanded widget versus flexible widget. We will start by adding both an expanded and a flexible widget into a column. The behavior of the flexible widget is similar to the expanded widget. The available space is divided in equal portions. As with expanded widgets, we can also set the flex factor for a flexible widget. Setting the flex factor to 2 for a flexible widget will do the same as before. The space is proportionally divided based on the flex factor. Let's dive in how to use a flexible widget. Suppose you want to set up a maximum fixed height for a container, such as 200 units. In this case, the flexible widget will take up exactly 200 units of space. Now let's increase the flex factor of an expanded widget. You will notice that the flexible widget now occupies a smaller space because the expanded widget takes up more of the available space, leaving less than 200 units for the flexible widget. This setup is very useful for developing responsive UIs, as it allows for dynamic adjustments based on available space. Now let's see how to implement this in a row widget. First, define the height of the row widget. Then wrap it with an expanded widget which will take all the available space. We can do the same setup as we do before. Add two expanded widgets to divide the available space evenly. This configuration is useful, for example, when you want to place two buttons of the same size side by side in a row. If more division is needed, we can add more expanded widgets. By adjusting the flex property, we can control the division of space more precisely. Next, let's compare expanded and flexible widget in a row. When added to a row, both widgets with the same flex value divide the space equally. Like setting a fixed height, we can also set a fixed width for a container. In this case, the flexible widget will occupy exactly 100 units of space. If the available space is less than 100 units, the flexible widget will adjust to take only what is available. Using expanded and flexible widgets is crucial for developing responsive UIs. They allow dynamic adjustments based on available space, providing flexibility across different device sizes. Let me know in the comments which widget you would like to see in the next videos. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye.